This 70-year-old slimmed down by putting this ingredient in her coffee every morning. Although coffee has its origin in Ethiopia and the Arabian Peninsula, it is no secret that it is one of the favorite drinks of the Western world, and its consumption is widespread in Europe and throughout America. Its main compound is caffeine, a psychoactive drug with important effects on our nervous system and, currently, has been the subject of numerous scientific studies. Coffee also promotes cardiovascular health. In addition to these benefits, coffee can significantly stimulate weight loss and increase metabolism. If you prepare it in the following way, it can be very beneficial for weight loss. Here is the prescription. Ingredients: 3/4 cup of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cocoa, optional. Preparation: you should start mixing all the ingredients until finely mixed and then pour the mixture into a cup with a lid. Then you should add 1-2 tablespoons of the mixture in your morning coffee when it is still hot. Stir for a few seconds until it dissolves and enjoy a rich coffee and at the same time lose weight.